Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Simple Pretty Nails here. Happy birthday to me. It is my birthday. I made it through, I'm 46. Yes, I'm 46. And I got to do my beautiful bling 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 nails. I love it. It was definitely a lot of fun. I hope you guys really do enjoy this video that I made for you guys. In here, I made it special, and I threw in the special recipe from one of my girls that I follow, Cooking with Claudia. She's on YouTube. I love this recipe that she came up with. She says that it's her grandmother's recipe. So I followed everything in the recipe except the part when she throws in the sauce to just warm it up. I went ahead and put a tablespoon of manteca, and I kind of I would call it guisé. So I kind of I can't say grilled the sauce, but I put oil, and what is the right word to say on that one? I'm trying to get the right word for you guys. I feel like I toasted the sauce with the oil, so that's pretty much what I did. I got a lot of beautiful gifts. I really love this bag. It's super cute. My best friend got it for me. She got me all kinds of nail stuff, lipsticks that my kids already got into, that I already tried out. Super cute. One of my daughters, she got me all kinds of purses from Juicy Couture. This one's super cute. She got me another one, and they come with little baggies. They're so adorable. She got me like all these little things like to put makeup. She loves her Juicy Couture. I love this. This is like one of my favorites. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Hello Kitty. How cute. I love that she got me some socks. I'm gonna put some on. I love the pink. The pink is super cute. So I love this cup. It's a cute Hello Kitty cup. Ooh, ASMR. Anyways, you guys, I had such a blast. I was definitely really busy trying to do a video for you guys to get the recipe and for you guys to try it out. It definitely came out so good. The tacos are delicious. I really enjoyed this recipe. I really do hope you guys do give it a try. Actually, I'm gonna get my phone and show you guys the girl I got the recipe from. Okay, you guys, so here we go. You guys can see her. She's so sweet. I love this girl, and she is on YouTube and Cooking con Claudia. Yeah, that's what it says. She's got a lot of subscribers, you guys, 1 million. Like, she's amazing. I love how she started. She's such a, like, she really motivates me. I tried her grandma's recipe for barbacoa, and it is bomb. You guys gotta try it. It's delicious. And my boogie oogie cup, I love. So it changes colors. Let me show you guys my fun cup. See? I love this cup. Water, of course. Anyways, you guys, if you guys really do get to enjoy this video and this recipe, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this recipe. I tried it. I'm thinking, you know, with everyone, it comes out different. I don't really think it comes out the same with the flavors, because either we end up putting less salt, less pepper. I definitely did not want to put as much salt as what she puts. So I think it gives it kind of a different little flavor. Like my husband will add a little extra vinegar and stuff like that. Therefore, you begin to change the recipe to make it your own. That's pretty much the way it works. Everybody has a different opinion. Everybody wants to do the recipe different. I hope you guys do try out this recipe. I love it. I hope you guys do check out my girl Claudia, Cooking con Claudia. Her channel is amazing, and she has a lot of wonderful recipes that you guys can try out yourselves. So don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos that I have in there. I just posted one. My sister's been in the hospital, in and out. She's trying to hang in there, you guys. She's trying to survive. She's really fighting this whole thing. I am going to make a special video, and I'll probably put her in the video with me from the last time you guys saw her. She has lost a significant amount of weight. Like, she looks super thin. So I'm going to try to do another video with her for, like, as far as like her recovery goes. And yeah, it's been up and down rocky road with that, and I really wasn't going to celebrate my birthday, but I decided, you know, my daughters wanted to come over, bring me gifts, so I went ahead and did it. Everybody showed up. Everybody was very loving. I was in the kitchen the whole time cooking for everyone, but that's what we do as parents. We love our kids, and we love to feed them, that's for sure. And they love my food, of course. So I will see you guys here on my next new video. And yeah, I'm really excited. Don't forget to check out my other social media. Instagram, MonaDell77. On my TikTok, @SimplePrettyNails. And my YouTube channel, of course, Simple Pretty Nails. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you guys here on our next video. YouTube, welcome back, everyone, to my channel. Simple Pretty Nails here. I am celebrating my birthday, you guys. We're gonna do a little barbacoa. We have right here 10 New Mexico chilies. We've got 5 chile puya and 1 chile morrita. We're gonna go ahead and take out all the seeds, as you guys can see. My daughter doesn't want to be on film, and I haven't even put my makeup on, so I will be coming back. I've got my birthday nails. Check them out, guys. Woohoo! Anyways, let me show you guys the meat. Right here we have all the meat. Look at how beautiful. Big old piece. This piece is huge. We've got some... So right here we have, I believe, cachete. We have, I believe, these are with bone. And I know this is like beef chuck or something like that. So you can use pretty much what kind of meat you want, but I'm using all these different ones. I believe this one is, let me look here. This is beef shank. So it looks pretty good. We're going to cook this, so we're going to make barbacoa. We're going to go ahead and season it right now with some salt and some pepper. I only have 2 hands, you guys, so I'm going to try to show you guys. Now, the big mistake I made with this last time is I poured too much salt and pepper. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to separate it, and I'm going to do it like that. Then we're going to go ahead and grill them. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm going to use some sea salt. I'm going to use some pepper, and I went and used this one as well. So you want to do it individually so it just doesn't come out too salty. And then we're going to go ahead and turn them to the other side and season them. And then we're going to go ahead and show you how to grill them. Okay, so into a skillet, we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of manteca so we can grill our meat. Okay, so my husband, I said, get a few pieces of meat, and he grabs like a huge piece that takes over the whole pan. So you're going to go ahead and grill these to give it more flavor for about 3 minutes each side, okay? Right here, we already turned it around, as you guys can see. Do another, let's sear it for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes is perfect. You can see the nice sear on your dish here. On your dish. Oh my gosh, I am overly tired. Here we go. You can see it on the meat. See how nice and seared it is. And remember, you want to have it on high. So that's where you want to have your heat. On high when you're searing meat. We're going to finish up all the meat, and we are going to transfer it into this pan. There we go. Nice and seared, you guys. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and sear our chilies and our, we're going to do half an onion. Okay, so we added a little bit of lard. I know, my husband just saw me and he's like, you're making a video on your birthday? Yes, I am. So right here, we're going to go ahead and grill these up for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to throw in the garlic. And at the end, the chili. So you want to go like a minute each thing. So that's what we'll be doing. So we're going to throw in our 6 cloves of garlic. And let's grill these up for another minute. And then we're going to throw our chilies in there. And it's going to be like 30 seconds. And we have to move fast, moving it around. I love this recipe that I got. It's a great one. I love it. I'll go ahead and mention the girl towards the end that I learned it from. Because this is a nice recipe. And very yummy. Okay, so right here we threw in our chilies. And we're going to move them around really fast. Okay, so we're going to put this in our blender with 2 cups of water to blend, and then we're going to go through the spices that have to go in there. Okay, I'm sorry guys. So we add to our pan 2 cups of water, and we're going to go ahead and stir this around before we put it into the blender. So it'll take about a minute to move around. So here we have this in our blender. We're going to go ahead and add another cup of water to blend. This we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano. We're going to go ahead and do 1 of our chicken powder. We are also going to do 2 of white vinegar into our blender, okay guys? Okay, so here's all our spices: oregano, cumin. Here's our cup of water that we have to pour in there, and we have to put 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Okay, sorry you guys, it's a little complicated because I have to use my hands. So here's 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Let's go ahead and blend this, and don't forget you guys, you want to put your oven to 275. Here we go, 275, and you're going to cook in there, obviously with a skillet like this, and you're going to close it up and put it in there for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and warm up the sauce that we just blended. We threw it in here. For extra flavoring, you don't have to, it's optional. I put a teaspoon of manteca in here, so that's what I wanted to do different from her recipe that I got from my girlfriend Claudia. She's amazing. I'm going to show you guys her channel after that. So this is something different that I decided to do. So now we're going to go ahead and get a beer, a 12-ounce Mexican beer, preferably she said Modelo Negro, but in my case I'm going to use Pacifico. So whatever you guys have is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pour one of these in here. Don't forget you guys to add your 2 bay leaves as well. I kind of want to add 3, which I do. You shouldn't, like, if you don't want to, don't, because the recipe is 2 of them, but I'm going to add 3. I want that extra flavor. Okay, you guys, so see what I'm doing? I'm pressing it down so it gets coated with all the sauce, as you guys can see. So you want to make sure you coat the whole thing. Still trying to make all this meat fit. I said to my husband, buy a little bit of meat, and he buys the whole pan full of meat. My goodness. Okay, so you just want to make sure you fill it up with all the juices. And then you're going to go ahead and cover it like this. And you're going to put it in your oven at 275 degrees. Okay, guys? Cook for 3 to 4 hours. There we go, you guys. And there you have barbacoa. For 3 to 4 hours you will cook. And then I'll show you what my plate looks like. The end results. Of course, half of my pan all the meat. I used it for tacos. It got super busy in my house. My birthday was definitely really busy, but look at this. It just falls apart. Remember, he used chamorro. Is that what it's called? Chamorro. And then we use that beef chuck. What's the other one called? That big old piece.
Dios mío.
Dios mío. So it was good meat, you guys. We had that. I had made 2 pans of rice. And everybody ate it up. We only have this much left. And then a little bit over here. Let me show you guys what the taco looks like. I dipped them into the grease. Look at how beautiful. My husband doesn't like onions, a little brat. And I put a little cheese. These tacos are really yummy. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'll try to come in the video when I have some makeup on. Let's see how I look.